Hi everyone, my name is Varta and today I'm going to be showing you how I make some of my most popular tahdigs. For the tahdigs we'll be making today, all you need are some tortillas, your rice, butter, saffron, and oil. The templates we'll be using will be available on the Farhang Foundation website for you to download. So all we're going to do is place the template on top of the tortilla and using either a very sharp knife or an X-Acto knife, cut out the shape. Once the design has been cut out, measure the tortilla again with the lid of your pot and trim off any excess bread so that your design will fit in your pot. There we go. Now that we have the tahdig at the bottom, now we're going to work on the sides, and the most important part to make sure that that comes out nice, you really have to butter the sides of the pot. Once you have the sides of your pot well buttered, you can place your side pieces wherever you like. The butter is going to help keep them in place. And now we're ready to layer the saffron rice on both the bottom and the sides of the pot. So while that's cooking, I'm going to show you how I made my woven tahdig, which again, you would just need a bunch of tortillas. These I've already cut into 1-inch thick strips, and then put them back together, just gear it so it's easier to visualize. And now we're going to weave them together, and we're going to be gluing them together with a little mixture of flour and water. For the sides, again, I've got 1-inch strips that I've cut, and we're gonna weave them together as well. Because, obviously the tortilla is not gonna go around your entire pot, just continue with the next piece. So this is the part that you won't see. This is the inside of the tahdig. So the actual part that matters is what's underneath, and that's why you see some parts don't look like it would be right, but I promise you it's there. Since this is just a tortilla tahdig, you don't need as much oil as you would normally put. I'm gonna butter the sides, put a little mound in there for structural support, and then put the remaining pieces in. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes, and now it's time to flip the tahdig. Whoop, that is not centered. Oh, thank God. All right. Can we put the cat